What movies do these emojis represent? The Lion King. What movies do these emojis represent? Spider-Man. What movies do these emojis represent? Jaws. What movies do these emojis represent? Scream. What movies do these emojis represent? Frozen. What movies do these emojis represent? The Dark Knight. What movies do these emojis represent? Titanic. What movies do these emojis represent? Jurassic Park. What movies do these emojis represent? The Lord of the Rings. What movies do these emojis represent? Up. What movies do these emojis represent? Harry Potter. What movies do these emojis represent? Ratatouille. What movies do these emojis represent? Wall-E. What movies do these emojis represent? Finding Nemo. What movies do these emojis represent? Interstellar. What movies do these emojis represent? Thor. What movies do these emojis represent? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. What movies do these emojis represent? E.T. What movies do these emojis represent? King Kong. What movies do these emojis represent? Cars. What movies do these emojis represent? The Little Mermaid. What movies do these emojis represent? Wonder Woman. What movies do these emojis represent? Kung Fu Panda. What movies do these emojis represent? Coco. What movies do these emojis represent? Sleeping Beauty. What movies do these emojis represent? Spider-Man. What movies do these emojis represent? Dumbo. What movies do these emojis represent? Beauty and the Beast. What movies do these emojis represent? The Martian. What movies do these emojis represent? Sharknado.